Nowadays, AI tools are getting expensive, and for you to try out something, it's even impossible to see if it's going to work or not. So today, I'm going to show you amazing AI tools that can help you start from voiceover, coming up to an image, and then changing that image into a talking avatar with free credits. You do not have to pay anything among these AI tools that I'll show you. So before we start, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification so you don't miss out on my future videos. This channel I'm dedicating to you guys to help you find free alternatives that can help you create content. With that said, let's get started. Here we're going to be using 11labs.io to generate our voiceover. So what I'm going to do, I already have a short script that I'm going to copy from ChatGPT and then head over to 11labs and just paste it right there. Once that is pasted, we're going to have to generate this voiceover. Just click on Generate Speech, and 11labs is going to give me a unique voiceover based on the voices I selected. 11labs has different voices you can go for, but I already have one that I like. So it's here, and this voiceover is about 36 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Download. Once that is downloaded, head over to this platform called Hedra. Hedra is an amazing AI tool that's going to help you convert any image into a talking avatar. I've been using this for quite some time now, and I love it. So it has a few things that you have to follow. The first thing that we have here is the audio option. The audio option basically shows different things like write, record, or prod. So if you want to just use their platform to convert any voiceovers, you can definitely do that by pasting the scripts right here, like the same scripts that we just used in 11labs. But if you do not want to use this, you can go ahead and record your voice just by clicking on the record button if you have a good mic, or just upload your voiceover right here. The next step is adding a character. So adding a character is kind of like uploading an image. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to Leonardo AI. This is the tool I'm going to use to generate images, but I already have images that I generated before. So I'll just go ahead and download them. So I'm going to download this one here. Just click on download this option, and it's going to be downloaded to my laptop. Once that is done, go back to Hedra and then click on where it says upload the image. You can see there is upload, generate, or photo. So in that case, I'm going to go ahead and upload. Click on the upload option and voila, we have our image uploaded right there. You can do some adjustments if you want or not. Your video will appear here. So I'm going to just click on generate a video. Hedra takes a few seconds to kind of like generate your image into a video. Once that is done, I'll get back to you guys. All right, so now we have our video. After a few seconds of processing, Hedra has turned everything into a talking avatar. Let me go ahead and play the video for you so you can see the final result. I'm Makasi, and I specialize in testing and reviewing AI tools and digital solutions designed specifically for small businesses. And that's it. That's the video Hedra generated. It's insane how AI can do this. So if you want to check out Hedra and other amazing AI tools, I'm going to leave the links in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. As always, I'll see you in the next video. For today, peace out.